Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view the Amazon chat history. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go and open your preferred browser and make sure to go to amazon.com. Once you do so, you should find yourself in the home screen or main screen. Make sure that you are logged in into your account. If not, just go and log in into it or go and create your account. Once you are there, all I need you to do is simply click on your basically account or profile here at the top right corner. Once you do so, you should be taken to this page, exactly to your accounts page. Here, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find here your messages where you will be able to view or respond to messages from Amazon sellers and buyers. If you go and click on that, here you'll be able to see the inbox and messages sent. So here you'll be able to see the chat history on your Amazon, all the messages and buyer and seller messages, and also the messages that you sent. Of course, they're telling you that this page will be not here anymore. So basically just the inbox page that will remain. And here, as we said, you'll find your all messages and buyer and seller messages. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.